Rocks and sunlight shape our ground. Non-living things make the world go round. No heartbeat, but still they play in the ecosystem every single day. Wind blows cold through the trees. Roots dig deep where they please. Water flows, carving paths anew. Abiotic things show what they do. Abiotic forces all around, shaping the land, no heartbeat sound. Ecosystems balanced and true. Rocks and sunlight just passing through. No pulse, no breath, still they call. Shaping life, watch it all. From the soil to the endless sky. Non-living, but they don't lie. Temperature high or low, it swings. Life adapts to what it brings. Soil holds the secrets tight, nourishing roots day and night. Abiotic forces all around, shaping the land, no heartbeat sound. Ecosystems balanced and true. Rocks and sunlight just passing through. Temperature high or low, it swings. Life adapts to what it brings.